Hi, my name's Abby, and today we're at the same library and we found the food and here a big zoo animal named a lion. So the lion's too big to go there, so let's go to the zoo and follow him. Here's the zoo, guys. It's so big and it's the color pink and white. Here's a place for different animals and here's a lion bed for him. Scratch, scratch. Let's go get the other animals. Come on, guys. He's a big elephant, so it's too big to fit. Look. Okay, guys, so the elephant's trunk is so long and it has a mouth under it and then sharp teeth there. So let's go follow the elephant. Look, there's some quick feet. His feet can scare other animals away. So the elephant's going to the zoo and this is his home where is a lot of water for his trunk. Oopsies! Guys, the elephant wouldn't stay. So then you do this. That's funny. Okay, let's go get the other animal. So the zebra's too big to go in there, so let's still follow him. The zebra has stripes on it, so it goes through the zebra thread. Boing, 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 boing. It's so bouncy. Let's go get the other animals. So here's a polar bear. Look at his face. It looks like so sad because it doesn't have any food. It can fit. Look. It just fell. Say polar bear. Oopsies. Polar bear. We're coming in for your new home. Here's the plate, and that's the tree where he's going to stay. Here's the tree he's going to stay. And there's some yummy meat for it. So it can stay right there if you need to see him. Let's go get the other animals. And now see some farm animals, like a cow. So the cow has nice spots and everything. So it can go right here. Oops. Put the cow right like this. There's a little sheep. He knows sheep sleeping in this stove. He likes sleeping in a nest. Oh no, he fell at the couch. Here are more cows. So this cow is big and it has a little baby. Moo, moo. Like the white elephant cup. So here's the last one. It's the pig. Oink, 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 oink. no, I am a pig. I have mud. Okay, guys, so the little piggies gonna say, we're going all aboard, so let's start. Woo! Woo! Oh no! Load up. Oopsies. Load up. Load up. You have to just take a nap. Everybody look straight. Here we are, the new home. Oink, oink, oink. I'm gonna go in now. Wow, our new barn looks amazing. Come on in. Yes. Okay, guys, the new home is amazing too. Voila! Wow, our new house looks amazing. Just look outside. Peek out the window. Peek out. It's going to be a nice day out there. It is. Okay, I'm coming. Fine. Fine, oh, fine. Wow, our new house looks amazing. Except I'm big security fence. Okay, that's fun. And there's 2 windows and the same color cord. Some people make this house, but we're missing a chicken. Bok, bok, bok. Okay. Okay, guys, it's time to feed the animals. So, oopsies. So, I'm going to give them some green corn. Let me go get some grass. I'm so hungry. I need to get some food. We're hungry. We want to eat some green corn. Oh, there it is behind us. Yum, 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 corn. Yum, 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 yum. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.